Hello. In this video, we'll use the Mergent Intellect database from Columbus State Library to find the NAICS code of a company. We'll then use that NAICS code to perform industry research and discover relevant financial information. Begin by opening a web browser. Once the browser is open, enter the address for Columbus State's library website, library.cscc.edu. Press enter on your keyboard to go to the library's website. When the library's homepage opens, click on the Books and Articles option in the navigation bar at the top left of the page. Then select Databases from the drop-down options. Once you're here, you can find Mergent Intellect alphabetically under the letter M. Scroll down the page midway until you see it and click the link. If you're off campus, you'll now be asked to log in using your Columbus State username and password. From the Mergent homepage, we'll type in our company's name or ticker symbol in the main search box and hit enter to run our search. For example, let's try Procter & Gamble. Here are our results. We can now locate our company from the records found. Be sure to pay extra attention here not to select branches or single locations. Look at the location type results and hover over any symbols to learn more. By hovering our cursor over the first results globe symbol, we see that this is the global ultimate parent. This is what we're looking for. I'm going to click on that company name link to take a closer look. Now we're on Procter & Gamble's company profile page. To find our NAICS code, let's click the link for industry details at the top of the page. As we can see, Procter & Gamble's primary NAICS code is listed on the top left-hand side of the page. This is the 6-digit number used to classify the company. Directly to the right of the NAICS code, you'll see a link for the industry report. It looks like a stack of pages. Let's click there to access Mergent's first research industry report for NAICS code 325620. You should see a new box pop up on the screen with an option to access the latest report by clicking on the PDF link. Here is our industry profile. It's filled with useful information like details about the competitive landscape, regulations, industry forecasts, critical issues, business trends, etc. For more detailed financial information, scroll down to the Financial Information heading toward the end of the document. Here we see benchmark trends, an income statement, balance sheet, financial ratios, and more. I hope this video helps get you started. For more help with research, visit us at library.cscc.edu.